the Renew and Repair program is in full effect or subscription. Members only. So go to styleofbase.com and you can email us to Enroll when you make your order for the Mother's Love collection. It's our new partnership and I'm very excited about it. And the lab that we're working with has been around for 30 years and it was in alignment. So I hope you guys are just as passionate about it and then love it and enjoy it, because I love doing this and talking about it with y'all. And it also helps me feel closer to my grandmother and honoring her and her legacy as well. So it's a win-win. But the Renew and Repair program, as I was saying, is our subscription to protect damage and for refill. So within 30 days, you can actually, I think it's 60 days, but yeah, 60 days. You'll become eligible. So if you're interested in adding that to your bundle, to a previous order or a current order, just email us at info@styleofbase.com. And that's the cleanser. So for example, you were to damage the serum, which is glass, or the head to the dropper, and you subscribe to the Renew and Repair program, or if you've been enjoying the product like I have and a few others, thank you guys, you can add that subscription, email us, like I said, and we'll get that into your profile and get you all set up. And you can renew it or refill it, you know? So, I love the serum. Check it out. So it's hyaluronic acid complex serum. It keeps me moisturized and glowing all day. And I use these together. So it's the daily routine, nightly routine, whatever works for your lifestyle. It's still drying.